Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. Let me ask you something. Have you ever secretly wondered if your zodiac sign holds the key to becoming rich? Are some signs naturally gifted with money magic, while others seem to be cosmically challenged when it comes to wealth? Today, we're unlocking the astrological patterns behind prosperity, exploring which signs show up most often on billionaire lists, which ones effortlessly attract abundance, and which ones need to work a little smarter and align with the stars to unlock their fortune. And before we begin, I've got a gift to help you align your own financial journey with cosmic timing. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. Trust me, working with the lunar cycle when setting financial goals is one of the easiest ways to put the universe on your side. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Now, let's find out if the stars already marked you for wealth or if you'll need to rewrite your financial destiny. Let's begin. What the data really says: wealth, astrology, and patterns. Over the years, astrologers, statisticians, and even financial outlets like Forbes have played with the idea of connecting zodiac signs to wealth. While no serious scientific study confirms a direct link between your sun sign and your bank account, there are clear astrological factors that influence how you approach money, risk, work, and abundance. That's why we're not just talking about lucky signs today. We're looking at the traits, planetary rulers, and money mindsets that give certain signs a natural edge when it comes to building wealth. Sagittarius, the big picture investor. Why Sagittarius? Ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, risk-taking, and abundance, Sagittarius thrives in growth industries, entrepreneurial leaps, and global thinking. They naturally attract lucky breaks, but it's their bold, future-forward mindset that turns those breaks into fortune. Real-life example, Taylor Swift. With a Sagittarius sun, Taylor leveraged big-picture strategy, international tours, and smart ownership deals to build a financial empire. Cosmic wealth tip: Sagittarius, your wealth comes from thinking beyond borders. Don't play small. Capricorn, the long-term builder. Why Capricorn? Ruled by Saturn, the planet of time, structure, and mastery, Capricorn excels at building wealth slowly and methodically. They understand that real fortune comes from playing the long game, strategic investments, career mastery, and delayed gratification. Real-life example, Jeff Bezos. Capricorn sun, Bezos built Amazon through relentless long-term vision, growing from a book retailer to a global empire. Cosmic wealth tip: Capricorn, wealth comes from consistent action over time, not overnight success. Scorpio, the financial strategist. Why Scorpio? Ruled by Pluto, modern ruler of wealth, power, and hidden assets, and Mars, traditional ruler, Scorpio excels at understanding financial systems, investments, and power plays. They thrive in high-stakes industries like finance, technology, and mergers, anywhere wealth and control intertwine. Real-life example, Bill Gates. With a Scorpio sun and Mercury, Gates built his wealth through market domination and strategic reinvention. Cosmic wealth tip: Scorpio, wealth comes from understanding hidden value, what others overlook. Libra, the power connector. Why Libra? Ruled by Venus, the planet of partnerships, deals, and attraction, Libra builds wealth through alliances, collaborations, and branding. Libra's social grace and negotiation skills make them natural deal makers. Real-life example, Kim Kardashian. With a Libra rising, Kim turned relationships, image management, and smart partnerships into a billion-dollar brand. Cosmic wealth tip: Libra, wealth flows through who you know. Relationships are your currency. Aquarius, the visionary innovator. Why Aquarius? Ruled by Uranus, planet of disruption and innovation, Aquarius excels at spotting trends before they exist and building wealth through tech and social change. Real-life example, Oprah Winfrey. Aquarius sun, Oprah's innovative approach to media and self-branding created her unique empire, long before personal branding was a thing. Cosmic wealth tip. Aquarius, wealth comes from original thinking. The farther ahead you think, the richer you become. Taurus, the wealth preserver. Why Taurus? Ruled by Venus, Taurus understands value, stability, and material comfort better than any other sign. They attract wealth through consistent work, tangible assets like real estate, and industries tied to beauty, food, or luxury goods. Real-life example, Adele. Taurus sun, Adele built her fortune through classic craftsmanship, music made to last, and smart financial choices. Cosmic wealth tip. Taurus, your wealth comes from steadiness and quality. Slow money is still money. What about the rest? Other signs' wealth styles. Aries, the risk taker. Ruled by Mars, Aries often builds wealth through courage and speed, excelling in entrepreneurship, sports, and competitive industries. Example, Lady Gaga, Aries sun, turned fearless creative choices into a cultural and financial empire. Virgo, the precision planner. Ruled by Mercury, Virgo excels at systems, strategy, and efficiency, building wealth through smart planning and optimization. Example, Warren Buffett, Virgo rising, made his fortune through methodical investing and understanding value better than anyone. Gemini, the master communicator. Also ruled by Mercury, Gemini builds wealth through media, marketing, communication, and constantly adapting to new trends. Example, Kanye West, Gemini sun, used his talent for cultural relevance and multi-platform success to build his brand fortune. Leo, the personal brand mogul. Ruled by the sun, Leo knows how to turn themselves into the product. Wealth comes from their ability to own the spotlight. Example, Jennifer Lopez, Leo rising, leveraged charisma into diverse revenue streams, from acting to beauty and fashion. Cancer, the legacy builder. Ruled by the moon, Cancer's wealth comes from protecting and growing family assets, excelling in real estate, food industries, and family businesses. Example, Elon Musk has a Cancer moon, showing his instinct to protect and pass down wealth, even as he takes giant entrepreneurial risks. Pisces, the creative channel. Ruled by Neptune, Pisces builds wealth through creative expression and imagination, often turning art, music, or storytelling into fortune. Example, Rihanna, Pisces sun, built an empire by merging creativity, music with smart business, Fenty Beauty. Final cosmic truth, it's not just your sun sign. Here's the truth. No sign is cursed to be poor, and no sign is guaranteed wealth. Your second house, earned money; eighth house, shared wealth, investments, inheritance; Venus, value and attraction; and Jupiter, expansion and fortune, all play a much bigger role in your personal wealth potential. Want to know your real money blueprint? I've linked a free birth chart generator in the description, so you can check exactly what the stars say about your financial future. So, now you know. Some zodiac signs might have a cosmic edge when it comes to attracting wealth, but the truth is, your sun sign is just the beginning. Your personal wealth potential is written across your entire birth chart. In your second house of money, your eighth house of investments and shared wealth, your Venus, what you attract, and your Jupiter, where you naturally expand. And here's the best part. No one is cursed to be broke, and no sign is automatically destined for billions. The real magic happens when you understand your chart and work with your natural strengths, talents, and cosmic timing. If you want to uncover your personal money blueprint, I've linked a free birth chart generator in the description. It's the first step to decoding the stars' message about your wealth journey. And don't forget, I've also included my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. Because timing your financial moves with the moon's cycles can make all the difference. Whether you're launching a business, negotiating a deal, or setting your biggest wealth intentions. Now I want to know, what's your sign? And do you feel like money flows easily to you, or do you have to fight for every bit of it? Share your story in the comments. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear how the stars have shaped your relationship with money. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic insight. Thank you for spending time with me today. And until next time, keep looking to the stars.